I gotta say, pushing around these big logs, these trees that are, between 10 and 12 feet, probably weigh quite a bit. It's a really good workout. And sometimes I'm just not quite strong enough to roll a log onto the mill, so I need a little help. And sometimes when I get that help to get that log on that mill, it doesn't always line up. And sometimes when you put a log on there that's over 10 feet, you got to give it a trim. Time to mill some Yukon spruce. It always amazes me. I start with a tree, then I roll that log on that mill, and then I end up with some planks. I'm learning the mill pretty good now, so things are getting easier and faster. Woodland Mill's portable HM122 sawmill.